Hello, we are your vagus nerve, a supercharged highway, glowing network of information going in both directions. We connect all of us. We light up our energy centers. We are always working for you, for us, uniting, translating, healing, and helping. Let's take a wandering journey through us, inside of you. If you want to close your eyes and bring your awareness to the area behind your nose, you can lay down or sit comfortably. And as you settle in, bring awareness to your breath. Begin taking big, deep belly breaths any way you like, while you detach your focus from the eternal world. Leave anything on your agenda, the calendar, or what you need to do behind for now. Let it all fall away as you bring your focus and your energy to the middle of your mind in the center of your skull. Feel your energy unhook from any outer tethers and reabsorb into you as your attention merges in a strong, glowing, and powerful light source here in the center of you. To help visualize where we start, imagine a chalice of tendrils cradling your brain, holding it, firing and wiring your beautiful mind. This is where we begin and where our journey begins. As we travel, you may feel blocks or sticking points. Thoughts may enter your mind that distract you. Breathe into these and let them drift away. Let the blocks clear, and we will tone and strengthen and magnify as we travel. When we work together, we have stronger magic. You can listen more effectively, and I can transmit more magnificently. With a deep breath in, we orient. I am connected here to your nervous system and endocrine system. I cradle and caress your pituitary and pineal glands. Here we are the alchemists, sending out chemicals of wondrous health. Breathe into this energy center. Feel the light cradling your mind. Focus now towards your feet as we follow the path through our Medulla Oblongata and along the neck and thyroid. As we begin to move towards your toes, we cradle and wrap around this beautiful gland so we can better regulate our energy. Here we are so easy to access. Feel into this and breathe. Clear so that you may have clear speech. Hum if you feel like it, and enliven your systems. Wrap around this beautiful vocal cords and continue moving towards your feet, around through your chest. Here we wander through the heart and around and into the thymus, the seat of our immune system. Breathe and fill this area with light. See our tendrils light up as your lungs expand. Feel the love in this energy center as oxytocin is released and courses through our body. Feel your wings, your beautiful arms and loving hands light up as they carry out the wishes and the feelings from our heart. Now we'll travel through your beautiful, healthy pink organs and tireless glands of the pancreas and adrenals, your kidneys to our digestive system as we wind in and out, gracing all these beautiful systems. Nourish them with your attention and with your love. With each breath, you give us life, you give us health and well-being. Here in these powerful energy centers, feel us tuning and toning. And we meander with purpose through your digestive system. Here, let us listen to the biome. We have collected all these billions and trillions that work with us in symbiosis. They nourish us and clean us and coordinate. Here is our second brain. And when everyone is listening and everyone is firing together, our cognition is high. Our nerves connect with this internal, eternal universe and offer us intuition. Feel this inner army, this inner universe. Breathe and clear and tune. And now, with the additional energy of all these centers, we travel and wander and journey around our beautiful ovaries, if you have ovaries, sensing our womb space, literal and metaphorical. We highlight our cervix and vagina, our gonads. Here is where we came from. Feel into this area. Feel your epic power. Breathe into us. We can radiate out into our life all we wish to manifest with purpose. You can seal and feel us now, this pair of nerves traveling both and always uniting us, integrating us. Feel into your creation space. Move if you feel like it. Breathe deeply into it. And now, with your in-breath, notice information traveling toward our head, and with our out-breath, toward our perineum. In and out, simultaneously information gathering, traveling, transmitting. As we breathe, access this power and know you can touch us with your breath by massaging your organs with humming, massage, singing, and purring. Flood your mind with love, and you flood your body with love. When you feel deeply, your beautiful thoughts become particles, neurotransmitters. Be purposeful, and we will take them to every cell of your body. You are the alchemist. You are the magician. You are spirit. With our physical body, you are the orchestrator, the creator, the genius. With your in-breath, feel the light course through your body, the body of a god and goddess. balanced and whole. As you feel like it, begin to move. Feel us, this superhighway, traveling at the speed of light, connecting all of us, blessing our sympathetic nervous system, and bringing us into a parasympathetic state where we heal, where our organs and systems can rest, where we repair in joy and love. Breathe, feel, unite.